fundamentally, mixing good, clean surface water with sewer is simply just bad business. It's bad business because once it's in the sewer, you have to treat it, and therefore it impacts on your operating costs. It's bad business because your infrastructure is continually stressed because of the addition of surface water into your sewer. So the notion of dealing with surface water, separating it from your sewer, and using that as a potential resource for greening of your cities has got a multitude of benefits, not just to a water company, but also to a community.
Well, we've had a number of projects delivered so far in the past 3 years. The next project we're looking to deliver is the Greener Grangetown project, and that's in collaboration with the Welsh Government, with Cardiff Council, and also with the Environment Agency. And that's dealing with a project in the urban area of Grangetown, looking at small streets, wide streets, but also on the Taff embankment to remove about 150,000 cubic metres of surface water flow a year, which would otherwise enter our sewers.
I think the benefits that'll be to Grangetown is you're going to see a massive upgrade in the local environment, basically. So when we're looking to roll this scheme out as a consequence of the new system coming in, what you're going to see on the top is some more permeable vegetation. You're going to see a lot of greener environment. You're also going to give the chance for the community to have a say in how they want to revitalise this area. And I think the opportunities for people who live in the area, well, there are many. I mean, we've got pocket gardens where we expect people to grow their own vegetables, for example. Lots more community cohesion in terms of the design of their street, the ownership of their street, assisting with the maintenance programs of their street. So I think, we've got plenty of opportunities for the people. There's opportunities for education. There's opportunities for some of the schools in the area to see what we're doing and to see what this scheme is producing and how we treat our water.
When I come to Cardiff and I have a look at what is being done in here and the significant long-term vision that Welsh Water is creating for its community, it is quite refreshing when you compare some of the evolutions of water company over the last 20 years as they're becoming more corporatized and privatized. So I really would like to commend Welsh Water, but more importantly, there is a lot more that we can learn from Welsh Water than what Welsh Water can learn from us, I believe.